Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Have you written your homework? Did you touch the homework? Already we have seen use of is, am, or use of have, has. Have you remembered? If the noun is singular, we use is. If the noun is plural, we use are. Am is always used with I. Have is used with I, you, we, they. Has is used with he, she, it. You have understood? Today we start our lesson. All of you take your English book, note, pencil and eraser. Look at the picture. This is your English book. This is your English book. I hope you have got books and notes, everybody. So take this book, write your name. Have you taken your book? Listen first. The lesson name is The Old Shawl. The lesson name is The Old Shawl. All of you take your English book. All of you take your English book and English note, pencil and eraser. Have you taken? Now open your book. Book page number 11. Lesson first. Lesson name is The Old Shawl. Do you have old things? What do you do with the old things? We are going to say about a story. Do you like story? Yes. Listen to the story. First, look at the picture. Who are they? Who is sitting under the tree? Who is sitting on the floor? Can you find the answer? The teacher is sitting under the tree. The student is sitting on the floor. ஆசிரியர் மாணவன். ஆசிரியர் மரத்துக்கு கீழே உட்கார்ந்துட்டு இருக்காரு, மாணவன் தரையில உட்கார்ந்துட்டு இருக்கும். Okay, let us begin the story. One day, a young student went to his teacher. One day, a young student went to his teacher. Who went to his teacher? A young student went to his teacher. Young இளமையான ஒரு சின்ன வயசு பையன் ஆசிரியரை பார்க்க போனான். He said, "Teacher, my woolen shawl is so torn." The young student said, "Teacher, my woolen shawl is so torn." The young student said to his teacher, "My woolen shawl is so torn." Torn means கிழிந்தது. Woolen shawl, கம்பளி சால்வை. Woolen shawl, கம்பளி சால்வை. Have you seen? Have you kept your home? Woolen, loose knitted woolen covering for the shoulder. That it cannot be mended. That it cannot be mended. He said to him, "The woolen shawl cannot be mended." Mended, பழுது பார்க்கிறது. I cannot be mended அப்படின்னா என்னால் பழுது பார்க்க முடியவில்லை. சால் கிழிந்து விட்டது, அதை என்னால் என்ன செய்ய முடியல, சரி பண்ண முடியலை. So I need a new shawl. So the young student asked him, "I need a new shawl before winter arrives and the weather turns cold." Weather தட்பவெப்பநிலை. Winter குளிர்காலம். I need a new shawl. He asked him, "I need a new shawl before winter season." Winter season வருவதுக்கு முன்னால I need a new shawl. எனக்கு புதிய சால் வேணும் அப்படின்னு அவன் கேட்டான். The teacher looked at the old garment. So now the teacher looked at the old garment. Now the teacher is looking at the old garment. Garment, articles of dress. Article of dress. It really was full of holes. When the teacher was looking at the old garment, the shawl was full of holes. So the teacher gave his student a new shawl. So the teacher gave his student a new shawl. அதனால ஆசிரியர் என்ன செஞ்சார், அவனுக்கு புதுசா ஒரு ஷால் கொடுத்தார். Are you comfortable? Asked the teacher. When he gave the shawl, after he was asking, "Are you comfortable?" Comfortable, relief. சரியா இருக்கிறதா? asked the teacher. So the teacher is asking, are you comfortable? All of you listen to the story. Okay. The teacher asked the student, are you comfortable? The student replied, yes sir. The students replied, yes sir. What will you do with the old shawl now? The teacher asked the question to the student. What will you do with the old shawl now? What will you do with the old shawl now? Already the student had a old shawl, so the teacher asked the student, what will you do with the old shawl now? The student said, I will use it as a bed sheet. So the student replied the answer, I will use it as a bed sheet. என்ன சொன்னா, நான் ஓல்டு ஷாலை பெட்ஷீட்டாக யூஸ் பண்ணுவேன் அப்படின்னு சொன்னான். What will happen to your old bedsheet? Already you have old bedsheet. So what will do with the old bedsheet? So the student said, I will use it as a curtain. I will use it as a curtain. And the old bedsheet எடுத்து நான் என்ன செய்வேன், திரைச்சீலையாக யூஸ் பண்ணுவேன். திரைச்சீலை அப்படிதான் நினச்சுவாங்க. டோருக்கு விண்டோக்கெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்களா. இப்போ டோர் இருக்குன்னா அதை கவர் பண்ணக்கு என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க, வெளியே உள்ளே இருக்கவங்க வெளியே தெரியாமல் இருக்காண்டி நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், திரைச்சீலை யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். அதுவாக நான் யூஸ் பண்ணுவேன் அப்படின்னு அவன் சொன்னான். How will you use the old curtain? So the teacher again asked the student, how will you use the old curtain? I will use the old curtain as a duster. So the student said, I will use the old curtain as a duster. I will use a duster. And what of the old duster? And what of the old duster? அப்போ old duster நீ என்ன செய்வா? I will tear the old duster. நான் என்ன செய்வேன், அதை கிழிப்பேன். கிழித்து into small pieces, சின்ன சின்ன பீஸாக எடுத்து, and use each piece as a wick to light lamps. அதை சின்ன சின்ன பீஸாக எடுத்து விளக்கு எரியதுக்கு நான் அதை நினைச்சுவேன் யூஸ் பண்ணுவேன். இப்போ ஆயில் விளக்குல wick means oil lamp to be burned for light. Oil lamp to be burned for light. இப்போ விளக்கெரியனா என்ன வேணும் அதோட என்ன திரி இருந்தாதான் நம்மளால நினைச்ச முடியும், விளக்கேற்ற முடியும். ஸோ நான் அந்த டஸ்டரை சின்ன சின்ன பகுதிகளாக பிரித்து அதை என்ன செய்வேன், விளக்கு திரியாக மாற்றி விளக்கு ஏற்றுவேன் அப்படின்னு சொன்னோம். When he heard the answer, the teacher was very happy. ஸோ இதை கேட்டதும் ஆசிரியருக்கு ரொம்ப மகிழ்ச்சியாக இருந்தார். The teacher was very happy. He smiled and said, "You have learned the true value of things." So the teacher is now smiling and said, "You have learned the true value of things." நீ பொருளோட உண்மையான மதிப்பை நீ என்ன செஞ்சா புரிந்து கொண்டாய். You have learned true value of things. Well done. So என்னது அவனை பாராட்டினார், அப்ரிசியேட் பண்ணாரு. If you have old things mean don't throw. You can reuse that things. Think and reuse. If you have old clothes mean give them away to people who need them. If you have old clothes means give them away to people who need them. If you have plastic bottles, plant seeds in them. If you have waste from the kitchen, mix it in the garden for plants to use. If you have old newspapers, make paper bags from them. உண்ட நிறைய பழைய துணிகள்லாம் இருந்ததுன்னா யாருக்கு தேவைப்படுதோ அவங்களுக்கு என்ன செய்யலாம், கொடுக்கலாம். If you have plastic bottles, we are always using plastic bottles only. Yes, so don't throw it. We can reuse that plastic bottles, plant seeds in them. அதில் விதை போட்டு என்ன செய்யலாம், பிளான்ட் உருவாக்கலாம். Waste from the kitchen. We have waste, many waste from the kitchen. Yes, waste means vegetable waste. Mix it in the garden for plants to use. உங்களுடைய தோட்டத்தில் போட்டு செடி உருவாக்க யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். Old newspaper. If we have old newspapers, make paper bags from them. So we can reuse many things. All the things are valuable. Don't throw it. Okay, children, have you understood this story? Okay, children, all of you take page number 11. Keep your finger on the line. One day, a young student went to his teacher. O-N-E-1 D-A-Y day, one day. A young, Y-O-U-N-G young, student, S-T-U-D-E-N-T student, went, W-E-N-T went, T-O-2 H-I-S his, T-E-A-C-H-E-R teacher. One day, young student went to his teacher. He said, H-E-S-A-I-D said, he said, teacher, T-E-A-C-H-E-R teacher, M-Y my, ullan, W-O-O-L-L-E-N ullan, Saul, S-H-A-W-L Saul, I-S is S-O-S-O T-O-R-N ton, T-H-A-T that I-T it, C-A-N-N-O-T cannot, B-E-B-M-E-N-D-E-D mended. He said, "Teacher, my woolen shawl is so torn that it cannot be mended. I need a new shawl." NEED need, NEW new, SHAWL shawl, before, 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 winter, 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 arrives, 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 and the weather, 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 turns cold, TURNS, turns, COLD, cold. The teacher, THE, the, TEACHER, teacher, LOOKED, looked, AT, at, THE, the, OLD, old, GARMENT, garment. The teacher looked at the old garment. It really was full of holes. ITHREALLY, really. WAS, was. FULL, full. OF, of. HOLES, holes. It really was full of holes. He, GAVE, gave. HIS, gives. Student, STUDENT, student. NEW, new. SHAWL, shawl. He gave his student a new shawl. Are you comfortable? ARERYOUCOMFORTABLE, comfortable. ASKED, asked. THE, the, TEACHER, teacher. Are you comfortable? Asked the teacher. Then next page. Yes, sir. YES, yes. SIR, sir. Yes, sir. THE, the, STUDENT, student, replied. REPLIED, replied. What will you do with the old shawl now? What will you do with the old shawl now? WHAT, what? WILL, will. YOUU, do. WITH, with. The, THE, the. OLD, old. SHAWL, shawl. NOW, now. What will do with the old shawl now? I will use it as a bedsheet. WILL, will. USE, use. IT, AS, as a bedsheet. BED, bed. SHEET, seat, bedsheet. What will happen to your old bedsheet? WHAT, what? WILL, will. HAPPEN, happen. To, YOUR, your. OLD, old. BED, bed. SHEET, seat. What will happen to your old bedsheet? I will use it as a curtain. WILL, will. USE, use. It, as. AS, as. A, curtain. CURTAIN, curtain. I will use it as a curtain. How will you use the old curtain? How? HOW, how. WILL, will. YOUU, USE, use. The, THE, the. OLD, old. CURTAIN, curtain. I will use the old curtain as a duster. I, WIL will, USE use, THE the, OLD old, CURTAN curtain, ASS A, DUSTR duster, and ANT and what of the old duster. WHAT what, OF of, THE the, OLD old, DUS dust, TR duster. Are you keeping your finger? I will tear the old duster into small pieces. I will tear the, TEAR tear, THE the, OLD old, DUS TER duster, INTO into small pieces, SMALL small, PIECES pieces, and USE use, ESCH each, PIECE piece, ASS a, wick, WICK wick, TO2 LIGHT light, LAMPS lamps, and use each piece as a wick to light lamps. The teacher was very happy. The teacher was very happy. He smiled, SMILED smiled, and said, you have learnt, LEARNT learnt, the true value of things. The true value of things, VALU value, OF of, THINGS things. Well done. WELL well, DONE done. Well done. Okay children, every day read your books. All of you take your homework notes. Now your homework time. Fill in the blanks. Find the answer from your English book, page number 11 and 12. Find the answer from your English book, page number 11 and 12. The young student went to his desk. THE the, YOUNG young, STUDENT student, WENT went, TO2 HIS is dash. Second one, the young student woolen dash was torn. The young student woolen dash was torn. Number 3, the young student needed a new shawl before winter season. Before dash season, the young student needed a new shawl before dash season. The young student needed a new shawl before dash season. Number 4, the teacher looked at the old dash. The teacher looked at the old dash. Number 5. The young student used a old dash for a duster. The young student used a old dash for a duster. Write neatly. Do your homework properly. Are you writing? Read and write.